my questions answered. I've got nothing left to say. This time I'm prepared to live through the rules of a different state. Nothing's gonna slow me down, and no one will be there to tell. I'm about to lose my grin and leave behind a living hell. Sympathetic solid notions of what you should give to take.